telecast and sharing those details. Moving on, Shyam Benegal, known for poignant and enduring films like Ankur, Nishant, Manthan, passes away at 90. His demise has evoked heartfelt tributes from celebrities, politicians and admirers nationwide. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken to social media platform X to pay his tribute, stating that his works continue to be admired by people from different walks of life. So we're seeing someone who redefined Indian cinema, and he was when it comes to working in Indian parlor cinema, he has produced great works, Ankur, Manthan, and he has also worked with great people like Smita Patil, Shabana Azmi. We have with us my colleague Mehendi Garg joining us on the telecast. Mehendi, it's a great loss for the Indian film industry, and also the fact that someone like him, Shyam Benegal, who inspires various filmmakers, and he has produced a lot of works in talking about social realism. It's a tragic loss indeed.
Well, indeed, it's a tragic loss, and also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Draupadi Murmu, including other leaders of politics, and also, from the film industry, has given their condolences on the death of the renowned filmmaker Shyam Benegal, and has praised Benegal's storytelling, saying that it had a profound impact on the Indian cinema. And also talking about Benegal, then he was a pivotal figure in Indian cinema who has, passed away who has passed away yesterday at the age of 90. And also, in a post on X platform, the Prime Minister has mentioned that how deeply saddened he was by the passing of Shyam Benegal, whose storytelling has a profound impact on Indian cinema, and also his work will continue to, admire people from the different walks of life, and also paid condolences to the family and admirers of Shyam Benegal. And in a separate post on the platform, the President Draupadi Murmu also mentioned that how the passing of Shyam Benegal marks the end of a glorious chapter of Indian cinema and television, and also he, the way he started a new kind of cinema and crafted several classics. So it is a, very big loss for Indian cinema also, and a veritable institution. He groomed many actors and artists, and his extraordinary contributions will be recognized in the form of, various things in future also. But he also received numerous awards, including Dada Saheb Phalke Award and Padma Bhushan. So Draupadi Murmu also paid her condolences to this big loss that has happened. And talking about Shyam Benegal, then he has, breathed his last on Monday at 6:38 p.m. at Vokchad Hospital, Mumbai Central, where he was, undergoing treatment for chronic kidney disease. And his demise has evoked heartfelt tributes from celebrities, politicians, and admirers nationwide, mourning the loss of a visionary director who played a very major role in reshaping Indian cinema. Yes,
All
Shreya.
right, Mehendi, stay with us. We have more developments coming in. External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar